I'm back. So I wanted to share with you guys my top 5 tips for making your IGTV videos pop. This is what I like to do for my videos. I've only been doing it for not even a week yet, but here is what I think you need to know if you're trying to create killer IGTV videos. Let's jump into it. Thing that you guys need to know is this awesome app called InShot. All you have to do to take a vertical video to horizontal is to click your footage, and then to change the canvas, just click on canvas, and then you can go to the 9:16, or they have the specific iPhone ratios. And then all you need to do is either you can zoom in and move it so your content is centered, or you can zoom out and it will create a vertical video and it will blur the background and it will let you have your full screen. So you can even go between them for things. I did that for my lookbook video. Let me show you. For my first lookbook video, I had footage that was filmed horizontally. So what I did is when I needed to show the tags or I needed to show some text like this, I would do it horizontally. And then when it came to a part where it was okay to zoom in, I split the clip there right in InShot, and then I made it full screen. So it's really easy to go back and forth. This is a killer app. Nicolette Mason told me about it. Shout out to Nicolette. Thank you, babe. InShot makes it so easy to edit footage directly from your iPhone. That is what I use to create this lookbook video. Let me show you. I created this lookbook video directly on my iPhone, edited in InShot, and I used a mix of apps on my phone to create cool vintage filters. And then I added the text on InShot, and then I also used some of my DSLR footage that I filmed vertically, just put it on my phone. I have one of those ones that directly goes to your phone through Wi-Fi. And then I just edited it quickly in my phone. It really didn't take very long, and it was awesome. My second tip for IGTV is to get out there and just have fun and experiment. You can film footage directly on your phone. You can film in high def, 4K, or you can use apps that you already have to make some cool textures and stuff like I just showed you. So you already have on your phone. So you can use apps you already have on your phone, hey guys, to use different effects and filters like this. And then you can just do them vertically and download them and add them into your video so that you get cool effects like this, or like this. So there's a ton of them out there. Just search for different filter or video effect apps and you can totally use these as well, which is really fun. My third tip is to get really creative with your branding. So if you have a brand or you want to add a title frame or an end frame like you do on YouTube, instead of having to edit that in and figure that out, the easiest way that I figured out to do this, which is a really fun hack, I'm going to show you right now. If you guys don't know about the Unfold app, now is the time to learn. All you have to do, which I already did a tutorial about this over on my Instagram and it's in my highlight reel. So all you do is create a new story. So I'm just gonna say IGTV, and then you create a new story. And then what you're gonna do, so this is actually for Instagram stories. So what you can do with this though is add a new layout here, and then you can use that as your title screen or your end screen for something. So I did that recently. So what you can do is you can even add video here. So you could have a video of you talking here. You could have another video here, and then you just go ahead and download that. So you just save it as a page. And then you can add that directly into your story as an end screen. So for this, all I did just upload this directly into InShot to be my end screen. If you're wondering about how I got the handwriting and stuff, I'm going to show you next. My fourth tip is something I haven't seen anyone else do yet, but it's such a no-brainer. You can use your Instagram stories to help your IGTV videos, and here's 2 ways how. First of all, hi guys, you can go ahead and upload something that you created in stories in Unfold, and then you can add handwriting. So that's why I like to do my little sign off, and I'll be XO Alex to kind of sign off, and you can add a mix of handwriting if you want to say watch my other videos. Oh my gosh. And you can say, watch my other videos. And then you could put that over here. Obviously, you guys, I'm not making it the cutest because I'm just showing you how this works. But, and the coolest thing about this is you can even add GIFs. I had someone ask me how you can add GIFs or GIFs. And the easiest way to do that is to just make an Instagram story. And then you're just gonna go to the bottom left-hand corner and click save. And then you can add this, it'll save directly to your camera roll and it'll be your newest thing. And then you can go ahead and add that as a clip to end your video in InShot. So let's go back to the video that we were working on, the last draft. Let's say I was happy with this. Then to add a new clip, all I do is go here, and now all of a sudden I have an end frame. So watch this. You can see me talking, and then it goes ahead and adds that whole thing that I just made. How cool is that? The other cool way to use your Instagram stories is to use it to promote the videos that you've already posted so that your audience jumps over and watches. I'll show you how. Let's say that I was making a video. Let's say I was doing the nail video, right? So I already have this footage of the nail video. Then what I'm going to do is go here to the link, and then you can add your IGTV video link. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna let it link directly to the nails because that makes sense. And then I'll say something like, watch my new IGTV video, and then you can say, you know, swipe up. Here, we'll do that, and then we'll say swipe up, and then people can swipe up to watch it directly, and you'll get viewers automatically. And my final tip for making your IGTV videos really pop is to use the description box to your advantage. Use it to tag friends that are in the video. Use it to link to other accounts or your website or anything. You can use it to lead anywhere. People can shop directly from the links. You can embed your reward style links. You can embed your shopping links and make it shoppable. Just make it really easy for people. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did in my recent description box with a lookbook. So when I shot this lookbook video, I made sure that I had the shopping links for all of the outfits, and I tagged all of the brands so it would be super easy to see people see those resources. And the brands were also notified that I did this. So it was awesome too for the brands to see that I incorporated their looks into something. So that is my final tip. So that is my final tip for my 5 ways to make your IGTV videos pop. As I learn more, as I experiment more, and as things change and they add updates, I will make sure to tell you guys. And please comment below if you like this video, like it, and let me know if there's anything else you want to know, or if you guys are making cool videos that you want me to check out. DM me or put the link below. Thanks guys, bye.